Can't Stop Reggie. I know you're looking for the right contractor to hire for your next job. Go and check out some of these videos of some of the work we done did. I'll be headed to you next. Oh. Look how it is, huh? Now you gotta come out the sprint because no before. Alright, y'all. I gotta knock out these hinges. This door. Cause I can't get in there. I gotta get this door off to get in the room. Oh man, it's that pot. I opened that pot. I don't know if we were pissing that pot or what. Thank God it didn't get on the door. Look at this room. Look at all this stuff. Oh, room. All this stuff is just packed. Might be a winner. Look, y'all. So we doing this. Oh, I heard his phone pop. Oh, he pulling the dog. Oh, every time he pulled, it just made me say. So we found a dog in here, y'all. That's the dog Bones. He got, I don't know how the hell the dog got tangled in here.
He chained up on the chain and got hooked up in the debris. Probably died.
Oh.
These folks just forgot they were missing their dog.
What dog? There's a dog in there.
The dog chained up in there, man.
Where?
Right here. Shit, it's gonna have one right here.
What the? Ah!
You got a dog in there? Chained up.
Whew.
The chain's tangled all the way up in the middle of that shit somewhere.
Oh. Yeah, it's you always run into something new in the this life. Can you, all right, 8-time pull. What can you pull the clothes out and?
Shit.
Oh. Huh. Throw the clothes back here, hey. Don't throw the clothes on the tarp. Throw them over here so I can sweep them on down.
Chained up a motherfucking dog.
Man, he chained that mother. Yeah, throw them back here. Yeah, that's that shit. That's it. That's what it is. Is that part of the dog that's stretching out?
Oh, that dog, man.
Oh, that's the dog?
Oh, that dog, this is real.
Oh, man.
A chained up dog in there.
God damn.
Can't make this shit up, can we?
Hell no, this shit is. This some first right here. This is a dang on first.
I've been doing this shit my whole life.
I ain't never seen a dog, man, caught up in the debris. I ain't never seen. I done did a lot of these, but never a dog.
A damn chained up dog.
There his skull is right there.
Where's the skull?
Right there. See right there with it, right there.
What's that?
That's the skull.
It's the skull of the dog?
Uh-huh.
Get the fuck out of here. It ain't too long, but it's still got skin on it.
Ah!
So it ain't been too long. It ain't been fucking years.
He chained up a damn dog. Let the
Chained up
dog.
in here. You got the chain caught all the way up in the middle up there somewhere.
Oh, snacks. Damn. How much more you gotta go to get to the chain?
Well, I'm clocking in on time for this.
See, that right there, see? This one wasn't that bad.
Adam, that one had a lot of stuff in it too, didn't it? That one had a lot of stuff in it.
That one was stacked up, but it was stacked up.
Evenly.
It looked big, but it really wasn't that big.
Yeah.
It stacked up, looked big. Like
This
a whole
right here
lot.
room, this room was locked up. He wasn't really in this room. This right here desk is a brand new desk. See that desk?
He was like,
I'm gonna try to save these damn floors.
man, you gonna say these? Walking down that one.
Nah, not that. I mean, I'm gonna.
Some of them you can. Well, like that's what I was talking about, like this. So So the guys that went through and they done found them a jackpot. This guy had paid washing them dryers in there. And look at all these quarters.
Ding ding!
None but quarters. Number quarters.
We hit the corn stall on the way home.
Man. You can't stop.
Can't stop it. 'Cause you 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 can't stop it. You can't stop. Can't stop in the building.